Hello students, good morning to all. Last video we talked about the factorization of tree method. I have solved some example sums using tree method. Today I will explain the shortest division method. Okay, I have taken this number 84. Okay, so 84. I will use this normal shortest division method. So first of all, I will divide by 2. So 242. 242 is equal to 84. So reminder, there is no reminder. Okay. So again I will divide 221. 221 is equal to 42. Okay. Again I will divide by 3. Now 3. Okay. 7 3s are 21. 7 3s are 21. So if I divide again 7, 7 1s are 7. So if you take this number 7 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So 7 3s are 21. 21 into 2, 221, 42. 242, 84. So 84 is the answer. So we got 84. So you can do this sum two method as a tree method, and another one is shortest division method. So you can solve this kind of sum any method, tree method or short division method. So first of all, I have taken 2. So I have 2 42s are 84, then 2 21s are 42, then 3 7s are 21, so 7 1s are 7. So you have to multiply these all are prime numbers. You know, 2, 3, 7, these all are prime numbers. If you multiply this all, you can get this number. Okay, this is a factorization, prime factorization. Okay students, I told you the factorization, prime factorization, they have two methods. One is tree method, another one is normal division method. Okay, shortest division method. So I solved some example sum. Now we will see some exercise sum. Okay, I will how to solve, how to factorization, how to find a prime factorization. Okay, so I have taken this number 144. 144. So first I will divide by 2. Okay. So first I will take this 2 digit. So 1 2s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 3 2s are 6, 4 2s are 8, 5 2s are 10, 6 2s are 12, 7 2s are 14. So 7 2s are 14. So 2 2s are 4. Okay. So again I will divide by 2. So 2 2s are 6, sorry 3 2s are 6, remainder 1, 6 2s are 12. So 36. Again I will divide by 2. So 1 2s are 2, remainder 1, 6 2s are, 7 2s are, 8 2s are 16. 8 2s are 16. Again I will divide by 2. 9 2s are, 9 8s are 18. 2 9s are 18. Okay. So now I will divide by 3. 3 3s are 9. Again we can divide. 3 1s are 3. Students, listen carefully. I told you two methods are there. One is tree method, this other one is shortest division method. So I have taken 144. So first I take 2 digit. So the divisor is 2. So how many times I can divide by 14? 7 times. So 7 2s are 14. Then 2 is remain. So 2 2s are 4. So the total is 72. Again I will divide by 2. So 2 3s are 6. Remainder 1. So 6 2s are 12. So 36 is equal to 72. You can say like this. 236 is equal to 72. Okay. 218 is equal to 36. Okay. 9 is equal to 18. Okay. 3 3s are 9. So 3 ones are 3. Okay. We cannot proceed after this one. So if you check, these all are prime numbers. Okay. If you multiply these numbers, 2 multiply 2 into 2 into 2, 1 2 3 4. Okay, 4 2s into 3 into 3. If you multiply it, you can get this 144. If it is right, your answer is correct. Okay, so 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 3s are 48. 16 3s are 48. 48 into 3. Yes, 144. 48 into 3. 144. So it's a same. So this is called prime factorization using shortest division method. Students, I hope you all understand. So you have more exercise on this exercise 1. You do as a homework. Okay. If you have doubt, you tell me. I will clear that doubt. Okay.